In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type data in Excel very fast using 3 different hacks. Let's open your Excel workbook and jump straight into a few simple techniques that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're entering repetitive or patterned data. The first hack is using autofill to complete a series. This is perfect when you want Excel to continue a pattern for you instead of typing everything manually. Start by entering the first value or the first few values into a cell. For example, you could type Monday or just enter the number 1. Once that's in place, select the cell or select multiple cells if you entered more than one starting value. Next, move your mouse pointer to the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is called the fill handle. When your cursor is in the right spot, click and drag across or down through the cells you want to fill. Then release the mouse button and Excel will complete the series automatically. This works really well for days of the week, months of the year, number sequences, and dates. It's one of the fastest ways to handle structured data entry. The second hack is flash fill, which is great for extracting or combining data based on a pattern. Flash fill notices what you're trying to do and fills the rest for you. For example, if you have a column with first and last names together, you can create the result you want in the next column. Type the desired result for the first row beside your data. If needed, start typing the second result as well to help Excel understand the pattern more clearly. After that, press Ctrl and E or go to the Data tab and choose Flash Fill. Excel will automatically fill the remaining cells based on the pattern it detected. This is especially useful when you want to split first and last names, combine names into a full name, extract usernames from email addresses, or format phone numbers. It's a huge time saver when working with messy text data. The third hack is using keyboard shortcuts to fill cells instantly. If you need to repeat the same value or formula, this method is much faster than retyping. For fill down, type the value or formula in the first cell, then select that cell along with the cells below it and press Ctrl and D. Excel will copy the top cell into the rest of the selected cells. For fill right, type the value or formula in the leftmost cell, select the row of cells you want to fill, and press Ctrl and R. Excel will copy that leftmost cell across the row. And that's it. Those are 3 easy Excel hacks that can help you enter data much faster and work more efficiently.